So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your website visible on Google. So for example, if someone goes and searches Facebook, you'll see Facebook is listed here. If someone searches YouTube without adding the full link, you'll see YouTube is listed the first one. If someone searches Sociobay, you'll see this one is listed as number 2. When someone searches anything, you'll see it here. So the importance of this is that most people will not search the full URL, like let's say for example facebook.com. Most people will ignore this part, but even if they ignore this part, you want them to find your website. So that's what I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. So let's get started. So to do this, there is a simple way to do this, which is by requesting indexing from Google. So to do this, you go to Google Search Console. You search Google Search Console, press enter, then you'll see the first one. Just like we were doing here, we didn't search the actual domain. We just searched Google Search Console. This one is a keyword. So let's get into that. Then start now. So welcome to Google Search Console. To start, select property type. So when you reach this part, you need to copy your URL, your domain name or domain link. So in my case, I want to use linkshare.onrender.com. This is a website I created earlier. So it's what I'm going to be using in this tutorial. So we wait. It's taking a lot of time. Let me try incognito. So link share.onrender.com. Yeah, this is the website. So I need this link, so I'll copy it, then go back to here. It already loaded, so let me just close this and this. So let's just use this one. So what I need is this, copy, then paste it here. So once you paste your link there, you'll be given some tags that you will have to add to your website. So as you see, verify ownership. So there are different ways of verifying your ownership. In my tutorial, I'm going to use HTML tag. So add meta tag to your site's homepage. So this is what I'm going to use. So under the HTML tag, click copy the tag you are given by Google Search Console to add to your site. So copy it, then go to your code and go to if you are in Django, you'll use the home page, the base HTML file. So in my case, it's in templates base.html. If you are in React, you will go to the public folder, then select index.html. In my case, I'm using Django, so I'll go to my base HTML file. Then it is a meta tag, so we'll add it in the head tag. So under the last meta, press enter, then paste the link I just copied, the tag I just copied. Then after you do that, you will add keywords. So meta keywords, let me see how they are added. So meta keywords tag. So keywords are all the possible names that people can use to search your website. So add that tag there. So then remove this one. So they're separated with commas. So in this case, my website, someone can search link share, comma. Someone can search link, then space share with a space in the middle. Someone else can search sharing links. But I want my website to show up when someone searches sharing links. Also, when someone searches sharing made easier, I want my website to show up. And best link sharing platform. I also want my website to show up. You can add as many as possible depending on your website. So in my case, I just add these ones. I think they are enough. Then the next step is to push your code to production. So in my case, I'm using render and GitHub. So just git status. Let me see what I've changed. Okay, I just want the base.html alone. So git add this one, this one, paste, paste. Okay, what else? What did I change in git ignore? So git diff, paste. So I'll just ignore that one. So let me git push minus u origin master. I don't know if it's master or main. Let me try master. Git pull. There are conflicts. So first. We have an error, so your local changes the following file will be overwritten by merge. So git pull dash dash rebase stash git stash. Let me copy these tags. So and no, not that one. This one to the end. To the end. Copy. Then git stash. Then git pull rebase. Then add those tags again. So where was it? So under this one, add them. Then clear. I don't want to add the stash, so git stash drop. Ignore these parts. Yours might not require these ones. If you are using cPanel, you just add these tags, then upload your site to the cPanel. But in my case, I'm using Git and I had some conflicts, so I had to fix them. I hope you don't confuse. These are the important tags, these two. What I'm doing here is just deploying my site, redeploying it with the new changes. So I hope you don't confuse that one. So clear git status, git add I only want this one, so copy it, copy, paste. Then git commit -m added Google search console meta tag. Then git push. I think it should now work. Okay, that's it. Then if I go to render, so let me see. Render.com. Okay. Should be loading. Okay, that's it. It's loading. Then dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Then link share deployment in progress. So it is deploying that last commit. As you can see, added Google Search Console meta tag. So you can click here. No, here to see the process. So this is it. Starting service. Site is live. So I think now if you go back and search link share, let's go to click F12, or instead you can inspect, right click, then inspect. Then if you go to the meta tags, body head, meta tag at the moment is this one. There is no Google search tag. So if I refresh, should see the Google Search Console tag, and here it is Google site verification. So that's the tag we got from this one. So once you've done that, I think you can click verify to see. Okay, ownership verified. Then you can go to property. So the only way you can verify your ownership is if you copy your meta tag from your Google Search Console, add it to your code. So in my case, I added it to my base.html because that is the main HTML file. If you are using only HTML and CSS and maybe some JS, you can just add this one to your homepage, this thing, these tags. So it's this one and this one. So the meta keywords and meta name keywords and the meta name Google site verification. So once your site is verified, you can go to URL inspection, paste your site again. So let me copy it again, paste it there, remove that, then press enter, retrieving data from Google index. So let's give it some time. This is the last step, by the way, so don't give up. It's just an easy process. So links, massage tables, ignore that error on my website. Something went wrong, so let me retry again. Okay, this is it. So at the moment, the URL is not Google. So if you want it to be indexed faster, you will click request indexing. So click request indexing, which might take a minute or two. Just give it some few time, then will be done. Might get an error, but just retry it again. So in my case, it is failing because I've exceeded my daily quota, but in your case, it will not. So basically, this is the last step. I think if I do it later, it will work, but at the moment, I've exceeded my daily quota, so it is not working. So basically, that's it. And trust me, I've created a website for this one, this person, sorry. And you can see it's now number one. I used the same step to make it optimized. I also created WSVSSD Kenya, which if you look, this the first one. I also created ASLV Uganda, which if you browse, you'll see Lions to Save Lake Victoria is number one. So basically, I use the same process for all these websites. So thanks for watching, and if you find this resource helpful, consider subscribing, liking the video, and sharing to your friends. Thank you and welcome.